So we are going to start by putting 2 cups of butter. So we have put 2 cups of butter. Then we are going to mix them properly with a spatula. After mixing them properly, we are going to add 2 cups of sugar. So this is our sugar. We are going to add 2 cups of sugar. That's the first one. Then the second one. Then we are going to mix them together properly. Then we mix them together. So guys, we are making marble cake today. So this is we are mixing them properly with a spatula, as you can see. There you go. We're still mixing our ingredients together till they mix properly. We mix our butter and sugar until it is completely mixed together using a mixer. That's it. Then we are going to add our eggs. So we are using 8 eggs. We are using 8 eggs. So we are going to pour them one by one as we mix them. So that is the first one. Then we mix them. We add as we mix together. So I'm going to do the same process in all of them. So we are still adding our eggs as we mix them together with the butter and sugar. We are mixing them properly as we add in the eggs. Here we are using 8 eggs. So we are mixing them properly. Oh my god, it looks like it's going to be a big cake. Oh, Mix them. We are adding the last egg. There you go. So that is the last egg. So we are mixing them properly. Mix them properly. After mixing them properly, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. So we add in the vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons. So this one is the first one. The second one. Then we mix them together. So we have added 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Mix them properly. So what we are going to do next, we are going to add 4 cups of flour. So we are going to put in as we mix them. We add as we mix. Add flour as we mix them together. We add in flour as we mix them. Add flour as we mix them. As we mix them. I think I'm going to use my spatula because this mixer is giving me a hard time. So we add in the flour as we mix. We mix in. We add in the flour as we mix. There you go. So guys, after adding our 4 cups of flour, this is how our mixture will turn out. So the next thing, we are going to add 175 ml of milk. So here we go. We have add our milk. Then we mix the mixture properly again. We mix them again. Mix the mixture. There we go. We are mixing the mixture together again because we have added in 175 ml of milk. Mix them properly until they combine themselves. This is going to be a very big cake. Oh my god. I can't wait to see the end results. So after adding in milk, this is how the mixture will turn out. So the next thing, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So we add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder. That one is the first one. Then the second one is, then this one is the second one. So then we are going to mix the mixture again together so that the soda, so that the baking can mix in with our ingredients. There you go. There you go. There we are mixing them using a spatula. I think I've made a very big cake, but who am I? This is the big bubbles of sugar. Some big bubbles of sugar, particles of sugar. So this is the mixture. Then now what we are going to do, because we are making a marble cake, since we are making a marble cake, we are going to take, our mixture is ready. So what we are going to do, we are going to take 1.25 mixture of our ingredients and put it aside. So that's it. I'm taking 1. So I'm putting 1.25 of this mixture aside. So this is the quarter cup, 1.25. So with this 1.25 cup that we had taken, we are going to mix with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So let me pour in the powder. So this is the first spoon. Then we add the second one. Then the second one. Then now we are going to mix them together. We are mixing them properly. After mixing them together, this is how the mixture will turn out. So now we are going to the next step. So with the sufuria that I'm going to use to bake, since I'm baking with the sufuria, I'm going to apply butter around it and then put in flour. See now this, after applying the butter all through around the sufuria, we are going to add in some flour around it again. Then we pour in into the sufuria. After putting in the cooking, after putting in the butter around the sufuria and also the flour, we are going now to put our first mixture. You remember the first mixture we placed aside? That is the one which we are going to add in first. Here we have poured our mixture, but not all of them. We have remained a little. So we add in the second mixture, the one we had mixed with cocoa powder. So we are going to pour all of them here. After adding in the mixture with cocoa, we are going now to add in the remaining first mixture that we had put aside. So we are going to pour on top of this mix. Guys, since we are baking in a sufuria, we are going to put in some salt in the sufuria, so to avoid our cake from burning. So we are going to spread it in the sufuria. This will prevent our cake from burning. After doing that, after putting the salt, we are going now to heat the salt in a sufuria in the gas. So we are going to heat the salt first for some time, and then now we are going to put on top the sufuria with the cake. Guys, we are heating first the salt, then now we go and add our ingredients on top. So let our salt heat first. So after our nini has heated our salt, we have placed our mixture on top of the sufuria. Then now the next thing, we are going to cover it and wait for our cake to cook. So we don't have an oven, so we are using the sufuria and gas. My cake, this is how it turned out. This way it. Guys, this is how my marble cake turned out. Wow, they're so sweet and yummy, and also soft, as you can see. They are so yummy. So this is how my marble cake has turned out. Thank you for watching. For the ingredients and everything and measurement, it is in the description box. See you in the next one. Bye.